but we've got, I personally have signed off and have free land given to me in several different African countries, ready to plant. And some of them we're just waiting on the funding because of obviously the cost of setup is quite high. Um, so in Botswana, they've again the government's come back. They've got enough because of the sign off for COP29. They're all responsible for their trading carbon between the different countries now. That's all been signed off. So because Botswana's got the largest diamond mine in the world, guess what's happening? The diamond mine is looking to fund the Polonia side. But what they get on the carbon credits, that's been given to them. And after the first harvest, we give them the money that the seed capital that they put into do the plantation. So their carbon offsets actually ended up for free. There's no other system in the world that can offer that. And then the community that when we're planting it will own the entire plantation. We will not own a cent in
And
it.
that's huge, especially
So
for a tree
it's
that
all,
regrows. you know, that's huge.
yeah.